Hey guys, welcome to back another video. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud lock. So guys, this method is 100% working and permanent bypass. Everything is working without SIM card. So just one click you can get permanent bypass. So just step by step I want to show you everything, just you can follow me. I hope you can enjoy with this method. So guys, first you can run check run jailbreak, then you can use to Windows tool. So how to run check run? If you want to check run without Mac and Linux, you can watch my previous tutorial, jailbreak tutorial guys. So it's very simple. You can make to bootable pen drive, then you can restart system, press boot key, after you can select boot. So few seconds after open check run without install Mac and without lose your data, you can use this method. So I'm already open check run 0.10.2 version. Now this device is 13.6.1 version. I want bypass permanent guys. It's very simple method, just one click you can get permanent bypass. So step by step I want to show you everything, just you can follow me. I hope you can enjoy with this method. So guys, this one is iPhone 6s, but iOS 13.6.1 is not supported. Don't worry guys, it's very simple method. This one is option, you can open this one. So allow untested, you can select this one and go back and next. Now is start option, here you can press start and click start, okay, and next. Now you can see device is entering recovery mode. First to run, you can run check run jailbreak, then you can use to Windows bypass tool. Just one click, after few seconds permanent bypass your device. So now you can click here start and press enter and press power key and home button. After few seconds, 4 seconds, release the power key, still hold home button. Guys, this method is permanent and unthreaded bypass. You can get permanent and you can reset, hard reset, everything is activation lock is not coming back. So this method is 100% working. Step by step I want to show you everything, just you can follow. And if you have to any device guys, 5s to X device supported and many iPad working, all check run device supported is working this method. So this step is first step. Second step I want to show you there with Windows. So guys, this one is second step, just you can follow me. Now I want check to here bypass, you can see just one click you can get to permanent bypass and you can hard reset and everything. Reset full device is not coming to back activation lock. You can get permanent, just one click you can get permanent bypass. So this device, now I want to show you can open this one iCloud bypass tool and so minimize this one. So guys, this one bypass tool, just you can see here 6s and 13.6.1 version. You can just click here bypass, click here and wait here few seconds. Now is click here start and press, just wait for bypass. This method is permanent bypass guys, without SIM card. SIM card is not working but everything is working, you can see. Now is respecting your device. close the eye tool. So now here is done guys, everything. Just you can press home button and next step continue. So now is just don't use. Everything is okay guys, so you can see. So now is done guys, everything. Now I want power off device. Switch off. So guys, if have to some memory is full, you can just reset as complete device. Now you can turn on. So finally is done guys, permanent bypass. It's very amazing guys, just one click you can get permanent bypass. If you want to have memory storage is full, you can format. You can see here storage. So sometimes after bypass storage is complete full, so you can go and reset. Just you can click here reset, here erase complete. After is your set devices, normally you can use same without iCloud bypass. So I hope guys you can enjoy with this method. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.